Okay guys, so I'm working on all the electronic motors and stuff like right now. I haven't run them in a long time and they weren't working really great. Now I've got them all lubed up and running. So here's the vertical and horizontal motors here. Here's of course is the cams. They still need to be adjusted to bring them out a little bit, but they're getting better and better each time I work on them. And of course I've got all the sack valves now that I took them away with the cams, and then the rest are all lit up. And then there's the gyroscope and the light working perfectly on top of it. No issues. And I've got the little cage that goes on top of it. I'm not ready for that yet. And I'm still working on the flipper flopper. I'm not happy with it, so I might reprint it and do some string work rather than using the rubber band. The rubber band looks good. But my concern, of course, is that the rubber over time will rot, being usage, and then you're kind of stuck with it in your head. And I want to do it in such a way that it lasts a really long time. And then I printed this for the ears. And as you can see, I mean, it looks like metal. I mean, it looks just like metal. I'm really pleased with it. Look at that. Isn't that crazy how that looks like metal? It's PLA plus filament, and then I've got the bulbs printed, and those are going to be blue, of course. And I got some blue LEDs, 10 millimeter LEDs that I'm going to be hooking up, and of course they're going to go right here and right there, so you can see the lines coming out ready to go. And I had posted the splices that I found on Amazon that will be really cool, because when you want to work on Robbie's head, if it's not working right, you want to be able to pop things out. And with the splices, I don't have to worry about solder joints breaking or anything like that. I can just pop the splice off and the wires slide right out of it. So that's going to make this really easy to work on. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. And the next thing I'll be working after I get this all straightened out will be this guy and the caulking, and getting that back up and running. Like I said, the stuff's been sitting here for a long time, so things need to be lubricated. There was wiring that wasn't working right. I've got ideas now that make more sense. And also I've got a set of hands right there that I printed that I'm not using. So if anybody's interested in the hands, let me know, and when I get some time, I'll get them out to whoever wants them. And other than that, of course, there's Robbie standing there waiting for me to keep working on what I'm doing. I'm very pleased with the way everything's going, and he's coming out really nice. So, as I always say at the end of the video, happy printing. Oh, I forgot to tell you one more thing. All of this is running except for the lights. The lights are running off a little battery pack right here, a little guy you can get off Amazon, and a switch built into it, runs on 2 AA's. They're all running off of this. That's a 3.5 volt. I don't know what the amperage is on it, but it's enough to run everything, and it's rechargeable. And as you can see, it's got the LED lights in it. That tells you what's the life expectancy at the time of the battery and when it needs to be charged up. And it's doing a really, really good job. I mean, that gyro is just humming. I need to work on maybe putting the resistor in line with that to slow it down a little bit. We'll see how that goes, to be honest with you, but everything else is running right off of this battery pack right there. So you got some pretty amazing power sources and stuff that you get that are all miniaturized now. Pretty amazing stuff. Anyway, as I always say, end the video. Happy printing.